Hello guys, welcome to my channel Alisha Verse. So today I am come with again one interview experience at Cognizant at my one of friend, and she is also selected, and the cluster of this interview is cluster 1, that is Java. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so you can see the candidate is selected and the question were asked. This is actually 16 questions, not 26 questions. This is 16 questions, okay? And the interview timing is 40 minutes and the package as well as 4 LP. Okay, so now let's get started with the next. So the first question is, as usual, ask is tell me about yourself. Okay. So interview in each and every interviewer, the interviewer asking first tell me about yourself as usual. The next question is what projects have you worked on? So again I'm saying my dear friends, please focus on your projects because cognizant HRs are mostly focusing on your projects and they are asking the oral like three to four questions on the project based only. Okay. Then after that, the interviewer asks, have you worked on any Java project? If yes, can you explain them? Because in introduction, she have mentioned the Java as a language and she belongs to the cluster one. That's why he asked, like, have you worked on any Java project? Okay. And also he said, can you explain them? If you have made any project, then you should be able to explain that project. Because if suppose I'm asking you about your project, and if you're not able to explain your project, then I can easily understand that you have not made this project. So be if you have taken from somewhere also, then be ready with the explanation, be ready with the all the things which are the in the project, like challenges faced, or what you have done, technologies. Okay, the next question is, what languages have you used in your projects? Okay, so there are multiple languages we use, like making in one project. That was the question. Then, how does your project work? Can you explain the backend database and the internal working of the code? So, if you see here, continue four questions were in on the same thing. Okay, then again, the interviewer goes on the can you explain inheritance in Java? Now he started oops part of the Java. So the basically two important part I want to tell here. First one is the project, then your oops object oriented programming is the very important concept. Okay. Then he asked how inheritance implemented in your project. So as usual, whenever we are making, there should be a any part where the oops is implemented. So he asked how it is implemented. Then are strings mutable in a Java or immutable in a Java? If so, why? So we should know like there is a string builder, a string builder is there, string, and these are strings are there. And again, string is little is there. So it is immutable or mutable. We should know. And if you are saying yes, then why? If you are saying no, then why? So that was the question. And after that, he given the SQL query related to foreign queue. He asked to my friend like write the SQL query and that query should be related to foreign key. Okay, that was the question. And the sixth question is how is the notification process implemented in your project? How does it interact with the database? Because my friend, who were the candidate, okay, candidate project involves the notification process. So HR was asking how this is implemented in your project because you have made the project, so you should know how it is implemented and how does it interact with the database. Because whenever the any notification goes to the user, at that time there should be some things happening in the database. And if you have made such a project, then you should know what was the actual process. Now the next question is what are the new technologies you are thinking to learn? So this is the like this question is like HR question. He was checking you are willing to learn new technologies, etc. And 14th question is what real life problems have you seen and what kind of technology can you use to solve those problems? So this question is like this is again an HR question. The problems you've seen and what kind of technology can you use to solve those problems. So this is a HR question. After, are you willing to relocate? This is some HR question which in every interview they are asking because this is a technical plus HR interview. Okay. Then are you comfortable working in a night shift? So for this question, you have to say yes. If you are saying no, then they will be directly rejecting you. Okay. Always say yes for relocating. and always say yes for working in a shifts. Okay. So yeah, that was the interview experience of my friend. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for same process. And after this, I will be uploading the Capgemini interview experiences of my friends. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.